Want to know how to message customer service through your mail in booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your booking.com website. Just simply head towards booking.com on your web browser and you should be in this interface right here, and make sure you are logged in as well. So once you are logged in, you should be provided with this interface. So now you can just simply on the top right side see this question mark icon. This is the contact customer service. Just simply select it. Now here you should be saying welcome to the help center, and right here you should be saying get help with booking. Just simply select that. And now once you have selected, you can just simply select a category, and now you can just simply type in your confirmation number, your PIN, and then select continue. Once that is done, you can also send confirmation emails and for booking details and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also message customer service directly right here, and you can write your message, your email address, and select send. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.